Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to yet another video. This is an unpackaging video. I'm going to unpackage some package, and I'm also going to plug you in to get some affordable things like mats, or let me just say household items. So let's get straight into the video, and before that, kindly make sure you like this video, comment, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. So let's get into the video. So I have this package here, and I still have some items down here, and so I'll be showing you all the items that I got. So guys, I have my package here, as you can see it. I'll be picking each item and I'll be showing you every piece and telling you the prices, and you'll see how affordable they are. And so guys, I got some pillows, some shawls or turbans, and some mats. All at a very affordable price, or let me just say a cheap price. So this is the first pillow that I got. See that? You can turn it into a doll. Let me show you. Look at that. Unaweza ibadilisha ikuwe kamnyama. I'm not sure what kind of kamnyama this is, but guys, just look at that, and the fact that it's white, and I love white. So I got these at 100 shillings only. 100 shillings. And before I continue, all these things I got from Think Twice. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Think Twice, but they sell things at a cheaper price than any other place. So, and by the way, this is not a paid promotion or something. I'm just plugging you guys. So I got this at 100 shillings. It's like a pillow, and it's also a doll. I got this other throw pillow, a small pillow for the seat. It's also white, and it has an animal print, as you can see. This was 50 bob. Trust me, this was 50 bob. I got this other pillow. It's fluffy. It's a fluffy white pillow, as you can see. This was 100 shillings only. 100 Kenyan shillings. Just look at that. It's large, and it's fluffy, and so soft, and it's cheap. I also got this other pillow. It's bluish. It's bluish, but not that dark blue. Yes, this was also 100 shillings. It's also fluffy and soft, like this other white pillow, like this one. You can see that this one is blue, this one is white, and they match so well when you put them on the bed. So that's for the pillows. We're going to the turbans or the shawls. I got this navy blue and a gray one. These ones were going for 250 shillings only, and just look at the size. It's so large. You can see that it's so large, guys, and I'm not even lying to you guys, it still has a tag. This one was 250 shillings, and you can see the tag there. I don't know if you guys can see. It's from Think Twice, and it's only 250 shillings, and it's so large. So I had this one in gray, and in navy blue, and one in gray. Each of them was 250 shillings, so the two were 500 shillings. So I only got two, and now we are going to the mats. Guys, now this is where I loved everything. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how fluffy it is. Guys, look at that. It's so soft. It's so soft, guys. Just see. So I got this gray doormat, or it can be a bed mat or a bathroom mat. Unaweza iweka hapo nje ya mlango ya bafu. Ukitoka bafu, you just step on this fluffy mat. It absorbs any water that is remaining on your legs. See? So yeah, I got this in grey. Huku nyuma it's white and it's so fluffy. I love it. So I got this at 300 shillings only. 300 Kenyan shillings only. Imagine, guys. Where else can you get such mats at such a price? Just look at that. Yeah, so I got this one in grey for 300 shillings. And I also got another fluffy mat in, I think this is a cream yellow. Yes, this one is not yellow. It's cream yellow and it's also fluffy. I hope you can see. It's fluffy, but it's not fluffy like this one, like the grey one, but they are both fluffy, and this one is softer than this one. Yeah, so I'm planning to put also this. I'm planning to use this also for the bathroom door. Yeah, because I already have a mat for the bed. Yeah, so look at that, guys. And the shapes, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. So that's how it looks. And this one also was 300 shillings. Only at Think Twice. And so to the last item, it's also a mat. This one is longer than the other two. It's white at the bottom and gray at the top. And guys, I love gray. That's why I went for gray for most gray things. This one is also fluffy, as you can see, and it's so soft compared to the other two. This one is actually my favorite. Just see. So this one is larger as compared to the other two, and it was only 400 Kenyan shillings. I'm planning to put this one at the entrance, at the main door there. That's where I'm recording from, and I'll show you guys when I put this or even the other mats, and you'll see how beautiful they look. Just see. So guys, this one is not a paid promotion. I'm just plugging you guys and showing you where you can get such things at a very affordable price. And I think this one is also easy to wash. It's not that thick. I hope you can see that. Yeah. Guys, imagine getting this at 400 shillings. Actually, all these things has a pity. I don't think zinafika 2,000 shillings, and you can see how beautiful they all look. And we have more other things there. Kuna nguo, we have bags. I also got bags. Let me show you. So guys, this is one of the bags that I got from Think Twice. This one was going for 250 shillings only. And when I tell you, I've always wanted such a bag, but sijai pata, but finally I got it from Think Twice, and it was cheap than I ever expected. Just see that. And the fact that it's also in black. Hii ukipiga look yako vizuri, uweke hapo, utakuwa ushamaliza look. Just see that.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you.
So this is how the grey mat looks at the door, at the entrance. And just look how it fits so well, and it's so soft. Yeah, I love it. I personally love it. Yes, those are the things I got yesterday. I've also got some things. Like, I've been shopping there ever since, so I have so many things from there, but I can't show you all the things. Yeah, and I'll still be shopping there because they have good things and they have affordable things. So guys, this is not a paid promotion or a paid video. I'm just plugging you guys and showing you where you can get cheap things, cheap and good things, yeah, or good things at an affordable or cheap price. So if you enjoyed this video, or if you're happy I plugged you, kindly give this video a thumbs up, or like this video, comment, share, subscribe. You can also comment where you get cheap things or good things at a cheaper price or at an affordable price. Yeah, tell us, plug us, na hii uchumi. So you've come to the end of this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We meet again in the next video. Bye.